and the bullet hole at the back of the kitchen door. Kanti ke nembobo yenhlamvu emva nje komnyango okanye isicapha sasekitchen.
And limadi ane alifatsi bila couch li maharinga couch, stilo couch, le TV stand.
And as well as the blood that was on the floor between the couch and as well as the TV stand. Tike negazi ke elalikhona elalibonakala khona lapho phansi phakathi ke ne couch nelokho njani ke ne TV stand.
Now, you observe all of those things that you've just mentioned. Did you then document or memorialize your observations?
O hlokometse ntho tsena kaofela tseo seng o buile ka tsona. Ebe o ile wa leka wa di ngola fatshe bakeng sa ho ikgopotsa kapa mohlomong wa leka hore o di hlophise ka tsela e leng hore tla hopola ka tsona ka teng. I actually journalized my observations and as well as took the photographs of what I had observed. Yebo ngempela ngiye ngabhala phansi ngaloba phansi ngaze ngathatha ke nezithombe za lokho engaqaphela okuyingcenye zobufakazi.
And how did you write it? Where did you write it down?
We ile wa di ngola fatshe kae?
Crime scene report.
At the inside of the crime scene report. Tike ngabhala phansi kuleyo ke ngcenye yesetshenziswa okwi-crime scene report.
And according to your recollection, how many crime scene photos did you take yourself, not the one that you've been testifying about of Colonel Mohlahlo?
Kantle ho tseno tseo no o paka ka tsona tsa Colonel Mohlahlo wena ka bowena o ile wa nka dinepe tse kae tsa tulo eo ya tlolo ya molao? 8 of those that I took. Uthi-ke mina ngathatha iy'thombe eziwu-8. Sesingasakhulumi ke ngo Colonel Mohlahlo ke khuluma ngami uqobo lwami ngathatha eziwu-8.
And in the morning, when Tastim was working with you, especially Colonel Mohlahlo, according to what we've seen at the end of the state's evidence in chief, how many pictures did Mohlahlo take? I saw up to 130. Is that the pictures roughly that she took?
Ole anka dinepe tse kae tse 130 Colonel Mohlahlo? That is correct. Yebo kuyiqiniso lokho ke ukuthi ekseni uKolonel Mohlahlo ke wathatha lezo ithombe ezingaba 130 zonke.
And is there any specific reason why you only took 8 pictures on the night as the first responder who the incident was fresh when you arrived at the time?
Ebe lebaka le teng la hore wena jwalo ka motho wa hore a fihle pele tulong eno ya tlolo ya molao hore o nke dinepe tse robedi fela ka nako eo.
Ke ile ka ba le challenge camera ka ene santse dinepe tse hlakileng.
I encountered a challenge. My camera was not taking good quality pictures. Ngiye ngaba nenselelo yokuthi ngingakwazi ukuthi ngithathe izithombe eziningi ngoba ke i-camera yami ibingakhiphi lokho njani ke izithombe ezisezingeni elikahle okanye eliphezulu.
Now the items that you referred to, the exhibits that you previously referred to, the heads, the crutch, the blood, heads, projectile, everything that you saw, you were shown those by the first responding officers that were on the scene, correct?
Dintho tsena tse seng o buile ka tsona katiba le re ka walking stick, crutch, madi, dintho tsena kaofela o ile wa di bontsha ke maponesa a ileng a fihla pele hona mo tulong ya tlolo ya molao. It is so, yes. Uthi zonke lezi zinto ingcenye zobufakazi esengikhulume ngazo, isigqoko, udondolo, igazi, zonke lezi zinto ngaboniswa amaphoyisa afika iqala khona lapha endaweni yesigameko
Now, you as a crime scene investigator with your trained eye, did you then process the scene again to see if they had missed anything? Because they are lay people when it comes to crime scene investigation.
Jwale wena jwalo ka ha o le fokisi le leng hore leihlo la lona le se le kwetlisitswe ebe le ka mora ho ba o jwetswe hore na ke tsena dikarolo tsa bopaki wena o ile wa iketsetsa diphuputso tsa hao kapo bofokisi ba hao ho netefatsa nyewe ya hao. I did so, yes. Yebo ngiye ngakwenza lokho ke uthi ngikwazi ukuthi ngiphenye nami njengomuntu oqeqeshiwe ngaphela labanye akusibona abantu ababeqeqeshiwe. Yebo ngakwenza lokho.
Where exactly did you process the crime scene and what exactly were you looking for?
Jwale o ile wa hla wa kenella karolong e feng ya tulo ya tlolo ya molao le hore o no hlahlobisisa o sheba eng le eng. I examined the kitchen or investigated the kitchen and ngazama ke ukuphenya ngiye ngaphenya khona ngase kitchen
and the sitting room
even inside of the sitting room where the people were seated ngase endaweni yokuhlala okanye sitting room la abantu bebehleli khona ngaphenya nangalapho ke.
And le bakalaka ke ne ke shebana haholo le cartridge case kapa bullet e ka bang teng ketsahalong eo.
Now I was investigating in search of the cartridge cases or perhaps the bullets that can be retrieved in the scene. Mina ke ngangiloko ngibhekana ke nama cartridge case okanye ke inhlamvu ebengatholakala khona laphana endaweni yesigameko.
Now, in the kitchen, specifically looking for or searching for projectiles, shell casings, and the like, where exactly did you look?
Ka kitchening ha hanto sheba di projectile le di shell casings. Hantle ke karolo e feng ya kitchen mo ile hore no sheba ho yona. I checked on the floor where I noticed a bullet hole. I also checked the door as well, and I realized that the bullet did not exit the door. And I thought to myself, perhaps it had fallen between the layers of the door. But I did not find that bullet. Ngoba kuphela ke imbobo yokuphuma kwenhlamvu ibengabonakali. Ngase ngiyacabanga ukuthi mhlambe leyo nhlamvu yawela nje emaphakathi komnyango. Ngase ke ngiyacheka ke ngangayithola leyo nhlamvu.
Now, I've never looked at the pictures because the ones that I have are quite grainy of the door, that is photo 18 of the damage to the kitchen door. Yet I see a hole. Are you saying that hole did actually penetrate that door to create a hole whereby a projectile could actually fall in the between the hole of the door panels?
Ebe ke yona ntho e hlalosang eno le ha fela ke saka ka gona go bona hantle senepe seno se leng photograph number 18 ebe se o hlalosang ke hore monyako o ile wa bona lesoba mo e leng hore monahano wa hao o ile wa re ke lesoba la pulo lena le leng hore pulo ya teng ho na le kgoneo ya hore ile ya wela mahareng di layer tseno tsa mnyako ka di panel tseno tsa mnyako. It is so, yes. Jebo iqiniso ukuthi ngacabanga lokho ukuthi na imbobo yenhlamvu kanti ke kunokwenzeka ukuthi leyo nhlamvu iye yawela nje phakathi kwamapanel walo mnyako.
Now, from photo 15, if we look at the dimensions of that kitchen, photo 15 exhibit D. If we
I'll
look
check
at
photo 15 exhibit D. The witness is producing the file. We told the photo 15? Yeah, I found photo 15.
in your investigation, when you document a scene, you also take the dimensions of the scene, correct? If it's relevant for your investigation, correct?
Onka mahlakore a fapaneng a ditlo a kapotulo ya tlo ya molao ha be le hore mahlakore ano a buisana le diphuputso go focus ba hao ha o etsa mosebetsi o no wa kabinet. It is indeed so uthi yebo uthatha wonke amahlangothi mhlambe we ndawo khona lapho isigameko senzekele khona kakhulukazi uma ngabeke lezo ithombe ezokwazi ukuthi ziqinisekise uphenyo engilenzayo.
And from the testimonies of Zandile Khumalo and Tumelo Madala, those are the people that are familiar with this house. They're saying this kitchen is quite cramped up, it's tiny. What was the dimensions of wall to wall, from the cupboards to the sink? What was the dimensions of that kitchen?
Distance eki isebedisang hake it's mosebetsi wa ka ke sebedisa distance ya exhibit le 0.8.
Now, whenever I'm executing my duties, the distances that I am using as references would be that of the exhibit at a particular point. Manje ke uthi ke mina ke uma ngenza umsebenzi wami ngiphenya khona laphayana ke isilinganiso engisisebenzisayo isilinganiso sokusuka kwingxenye yobufakazi ukuya endaweni ethize kwena kuyiphuzu elithize kuleyo ndawo.
Now, on that point that you raised, that you looked at the whole and you, correct me if I'm wrong, you assumed perhaps the bullet went through and fell through the crevices of the panels of the door, correct?
Or wena o ile wa sheba mokoti wa kulo be le gore o nahana ka botla le mohopolo wa gore e kabe e wetse ka hare go mapatso a monyako ono e be ke nnete. That is correct. So
now
we iqiniso lokho ukuthi mina ngibheka umnyango na inhlamvu shayilela okanye na imbobo la bese ngiyazicabangela ukuthi leyo mbobo kunganokwenzeka ukuthi inhlamvu yakhona iwele nje emaphakathini komnyango.
Now let's start on the left where there are those glass jars. I think there's a kiddies formula can or whatever, the orange thing here, bluish in color as well, the brown dots on the left of that picture. Did you search for the possible bullet that hit that arrow sticker mark damaged anywhere on that cupboard side or on the left hand side?
Ebe o ile wa hlokomela ke bona hore ntho tse ngata ebe o ile wa khona ho fuputsa ho tloha hona mono mo ho bontshang letshwao mo e leng gore bullet ile ya otla teng wa hlokomela le ka thoko ho hona mono mo e leng gore bullet ile ya otla teng ra bona hore bona ha re sheba hodima mona setshwantshong sena ho hlahelletse dintho tse mmalonyana ke formula ya bana mono le basic le mo hona le dijeke tse leng gore di a hlaya ebe wena o ile wa fuputsa gore ha o finyana le hona mo ho tleng kulo teng ebe hona ntho tse itseng tse leng gore o ka kgona gore ohle o di tshwaye haholo ka re ho nna le letshwao mono o ile wa hlokomela mo
ke hopola hore ke le ka sebedisa mahlo ho sheba ntle le ho suthisa dintho tse ne di le hodimo.
Well, I remember that I used my eyes as the instruments to can check around that particular spot or area without removing the items that were on the top of the cabinets. Manje ngikhumbula ukuthi ngeke ngasebenzisa amehlo njengeyisentshenziswayo zokuthi ngikwazi ukuphopolela ukubheka khona laphayana lokho njani kuleyo ndawo la kwakwenzekeke okanye la ngibone khona lezinto ezenza ngaphandle kokuthi ngisuse izinto ezazi phezulu mhlambe kwe-cabinet kanjalo.
And also, whilst you are still at that side, where that counter ends as you come towards the passage or the hallway, I see there's what appears to be a silver fridge just coming onto the picture there, and there seems to be a gap. Did you also investigate for that bullet in that area as well?
Jabona how karutla ka passage ka mona hona ntlo ka reng ke fridge mona jwale e ka reng e silver ka mmala tjena ebe o ile wa tle wa fuputsa le hona mo maelana le yona bullet eno.
E ke tshepa hore ke tsamaisitse mahlo go lekola kelello ya ka ine e le lebakeng la hore ke nahane hore pulo e kene ya wela ka hare ho monyako.
I believe that I actually used my eyes to check around, even that spot in particular, because I thought that that bullet could have hit the door and then went inside or fallen within the crevices of the door. Ngithemba ukuthi ngingasebenzisa nje amehlo wami kuleyo ndawo nokuthi ke le nhlamvu ngicabanga ukuthi iye yasha umnyango yawela ngaphakathi kwaleso sicaba.
But at the same time as well, you could not conclusively rule what is called ricochet of a bullet, correct?
Empa le ha ntse le jwalo ha wa ka wa bella ka thoko ntlha ya hore kulo e ka be ile ya wotlamane ricochet ya bullet.
You could not completely rule out in that scenario when you are looking for that bullet. You cannot just look at the hole and say, okay, it fell there, let me look. You are a forensic investigator for crime scenes, and you say specifically you are looking for shell casings, projectiles, and the like.
Jwale o ne o kekebe wa ba wa bella ka thoko ka wa intsha ntlha eno ya gore bullet ena e ka be ile ya thunya ya wotla ditulong tse mmalwa ka hona ka hare ka mono jwalo ka ha wena o ntse etsa diphuputso mono ka poetsa bofokisi ba nyewe eno wena o forensic investigator jwale o itse o ile mane o ile o sheba di shell casings o sheba dipulo ntho tseno jwale ena ya gore pulo ile ka sekgowa ba re ricochet o keke wa bella ka thoko gore pulo e ka bile ya etsa jwalo seng ha kalo fela ile o tla fela mona wa fella ka yona akere
ho jwalo
o ile wa hopola gore pulo e ka nne ya etsa ntwe.
Now let's go to the right.
It isn't it so uthi yebo kuyinto lokho ukuthi ngiye ngacabanga lokho ukuthi inhlamvu ibinokwenza ukuthi mhlawumbe ithi mayiphuma mhlawumbe ikhashulwa ilokho nje isibhamu ishaye endaweni eyihlukene.
Now let's move to the right-hand side of the kitchen area, which is the sink, where I see also there are kitchen utensils and the like and the stove. Did you also search for bullet, projectile, shell casing and the like on that side of the kitchen?
We wa hlokomela bullet, projectile, shell casings. Hona mona ka kitchen mona re a bona hona le sink mono na le stove mono o ile wa ke wa lekodisisa le hona mo.
Ke tshepa hore ke se ke tlhalositse hore ke ile ka sebedisa mahlo go lekola tulo eo ka ha ne se ke le menahanong wa task team e tla tlameha hore e tlo nthusa re process a crime scene.
Now, as I had already explained that I used my eyes to can observe that area or investigate that area, and I also had this in mind that the task team would be arriving and they will be assisting me in the processing of the crime scene. Njengoba ngase sengishilo ke ukuthi ngisebenzisa amehlo wami ukuthi ngivele ngibheke khona laphana kuleyo ndawo nokuthi ke nganginomqondo ukuthi i-task team izofika ikwazi ukuzongilekelela ekutheni sikwazi ukuphimisisa leyo ndawo kahle.
And sepheo sa hore re bitse task team ko hore re etse bonnete ba hore crime scene e fuputswa ka tsela e hantle.